Join me as I challenge myself to boost my productivity using these game-changing tips and tricks, and see if I can actually get more done in just one day. Productivity is one of those buzzwords that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? To me, productivity is about achieving your goals, getting more done in less time, and feeling a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day. And let's be real, who doesn't want that? In today's fast-paced world, being productive is essential for success, whether it's in your personal or professional life. One of the biggest productivity killers is distractions. I mean, think about it, how many times have you sat down to work on something, only to find yourself scrolling through social media or checking your email for the 100th time? It's easy to get sidetracked, but the truth is, those little distractions can add up quickly. Before you know it, hours have passed and you've accomplished nothing. Time management is another major hurdle for many people. You might think you're being productive, but if you're not focusing on the right tasks, you're not going to get very far. I've been guilty of this myself, spending hours on a task that doesn't really matter, while more important things fall by the wayside. And then there's procrastination, putting off tasks until the last minute, only to find yourself rushing to get them done. And let's not forget about motivation. When you're not motivated, it's hard to get started on anything, let alone stay focused. I found that when I'm not motivated, I tend to put things off until later, which only leads to more stress and anxiety. So, what can you do to overcome these challenges and boost your productivity? One strategy I found helpful is to prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. This involves categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. By focusing on the most critical task first, you can make a big impact in a short amount of time. Another tip is to use the Pomodoro technique. This involves working in focused, 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. And, let's be real, who doesn't love a good break every now and again? I've also found that getting rid of distractions is key. This might mean turning off your phone or finding a quiet workspace. When you eliminate distractions, you can stay focused on the task at hand and get more done in less time. One of my favorite productivity tips is to batch similar tasks together. For example, if you need to make a bunch of phone calls, do them all at once. This can save you time and energy in the long run. Now, I want to talk about one game-changing tip that can really take your productivity to the next level. This is the concept of time blocking. Essentially, you schedule large chunks of uninterrupted time to focus on a specific task. This can be really helpful for big projects or tasks that require a lot of concentration. Time blocking is so effective because it allows you to focus on a single task without interruptions. When you're not worried about meetings or emails or phone calls, you can really dive deep and get a lot done. The benefits of time blocking are numerous. Not only can you get more done in less time, but you'll also feel more focused and in control. And, let's be real, who doesn't want that? In addition, time blocking can help you avoid multitasking, which is a major productivity killer. When you're trying to do multiple things at once, you're not doing any of them well. By focusing on a single task, you can give it your full attention and do it right. In summary, boosting your productivity is all about identifying the challenges that hold you back and implementing strategies to overcome them. Whether it's prioritizing tasks, eliminating distractions, or using the Pomodoro technique, there are many ways to get more done in less time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite productivity tips. If you want more insights on how to boost your productivity, be sure to check out my next video. If there are any topics you would like, please let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe.